Hey there, it's John here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can leverage local events to promote your floor cleaning business and take it to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How to use local events to promote your business. When business owners think of advertisement ideas for their business, their first thought is often networking. They think of digital networking first, but forget that much of the networking is actually done in person. Face-to-face networking through your community can prove to be a vital part in advertising your business. As a small business owner, as a floor cleaner, you put a face and personality to your services. So think of local marketing as a way for your community to get to know you, build trust, and establish yourself as a go-to service for your industry in their area. There are a few methods you can use to find local events in your own community that will help you to promote your business effectively. So do some research first and find out what kind of audience you will be marketing to. If your services can be used by anybody, so in your case like a floor cleaner, then it's okay to go to like a general event that has a variety of different businesses, right? Because ultimately at the end of the day, when it comes to like floor cleaning, whether that's carpet cleaning, whether it's tile cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning, there is a residential need and of course a commercial need, you know? So really this is what's great, I think, about the floor cleaning industry, especially when it comes to like networking events and stuff like that, because there could be an expo in your city for hotels and all of the different kind of businesses and services related to hotels, right? Everything from the catering to the sheets, everything from the different technologies like the booking in technology when people arrive, the check-in, the check-out. And there's no reason why you couldn't have a stand at like a hotel expo in your city and suddenly all these local hotel owners show up and you've got this stand there talking about your amazing carpet cleaning services. You could literally pick up loads of contracts at an expo like that. Likewise, maybe like a residential like homes interior design type event or something like that, you know, for local residential people. Again, there's no harm in you having a stand at something like that, because you know what, these people are going to be going there. It's all about the home, making the home look nice, maybe some kind of interior design thing, and you can have a stand there and be like, hey, you know, we're your local carpet cleaner. You know, you could have like the truck mount on display. You could even be talking people through like the process, educating people about, you know, the germs and the things that live in the carpet. So you're educating people. There's like some cool technology in terms of like if you've got like a truck mount or like a CRB machine that people can like look at and stuff like that, especially, you know, people that are into gadgets and stuff. It's definitely like a talking point. Give them a business card, maybe that you've got like a flyer or a printout where you can kind of get some voucher, something like that. You could literally have a tablet on the stand and get people booked in whilst they're walking around. So for you guys, in terms of like the right event, it's awesome because really your service appeals, right, it's very broad, and so it appeals to all kinds of people. So most sort of like expos, local events and stuff like that are going to be things that you can actually attend and will make sense for your floor cleaning business. The other thing that you do want to think about though is figure out whether it's just going to be local people or out of town visitors. It's one of those really whereby obviously if you're a floor cleaning business owner and you've got people coming in, like let's say you're in, I don't know, Orlando, and you've got people coming in from like Los Angeles, you're never going to travel to Los Angeles halfway across the country to go do a carpet cleaning job, right? So if it's like a big national or international events bringing people in from all over, maybe that's not the right event for you. It could still be worth you visiting, but certainly the ones that where it's more concentrated on the local community, I think would probably be a better fit for you because you're a local business owner, of course. You basically also want to do some research on like what the most profitable events are. You know, you don't want to spend like a bunch of money for a stand or a stall at some expo or some networking event and only 25 people people show up. So do your research. If there's been past events, maybe you can kind of get a feel. If they did it last year, how successful was it? How popular was it? You can probably Google it, look it up, and like get a feel for the kind of demographics, the kind of people that are going to be attending this. Are they going to be the kind of people that would be interested in your service? As I've just mentioned earlier, like your service appeals to a broad range of people, be it commercial, be it residential. So you really will have quite a broad range of events that you would be able to attend to promote your floor cleaning business. That being said, do your research first. You definitely also want to decide like how far you want to go. And I guess like in terms of like the event, you could just have a booth or a stand. You could have like, you know, big one, a small one. You could have like some big centerpiece where you're doing some demonstrations. Maybe you bring like a rug with you, you dirty it up and you actually demonstrate it. It really depends on like your budget and like how far you're willing to go. But ultimately, you know, even if you just kind of get a stand there, and if it's a big local event, if you're in a city and there's thousands of people going to be attending this event over the weekend, it's an amazing way to get your company in front of thousands of people from your local area, 100%. And of course, the key thing as well is if you're attending the event, don't forget to promote it across all your channels, post about it on your Facebook page, on your personal profile, on LinkedIn, Twitter. If you've got a YouTube channel, talk about it, put it everywhere and let everybody know that you're going to be there. Because if people see that you're going to be there and they're attending the event too, it's going to stick in their mind. So when they stumble across your stand, they're going to be, oh yeah, I remember that this guy posted, and it's going to be like a little bit of an icebreaker. So do promote the fact that you're going to be attending the event across social media as well. And then kind of final thoughts really. So yeah, ultimately, like as I've just said, this is a great way. Having a stand or a booth at a local expo or event in your town or city is going to be a great way to get your business in front of thousands and thousands of people. It's going to be a great way for you to potentially build relationships with future customers, generate commercial contracts. If it's more like an industry specific event, it's going to be a great way for you to get in front of residential customers. You know, maybe like I said, you can bring your truck mount in or your CRB. It's a talking point. You can educate people on why it's important to get your floors cleaned regularly, and you can have some printed material there maybe, or you can even get people booked in. I mean, if it was me, I would have like some kind of tablet there and be like, hey, let's say you've talked about the importance of cleaning the carpet. They've shown some interest in the equipment that you use. You've walked them through it. They're like, oh wow, this is like fascinating. And you can sort of ask them, you know, so like if you've got carpets in your house, yeah, we've got carpets throughout. Okay, awesome. We're running a special just for this event, for this weekend only. It's like 20% off. If we can kind of get you booked in right now, you're going to get like a huge discount. Pull out the tablet, just take your details and tell me which day and time and how many rooms you want cleaned. We'll get you scheduled in right now. Awesome, boom, right? And you could be generating bookings all weekend. So it's definitely a great way to promote your business. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description below where you'll also find a link to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.